This video will show you how to create a table with conditional rows in an output document. So after we create our questionnaire in Documate with the questions we want to base our conditions on, we'll come in to our Word document, open the document tagger, and select our workflow. Then we can see that we only want to show this row if option 1 is selected. So we'll highlight that, come down to Show Paragraph When, and then indicate that we want to show this paragraph when variable name is option 1. So we'll insert that condition. And then because this is in a table, we're just going to move these around a little bit. So I have my paragraph markers on here so we can see that everything is formatted correctly. So first we're going to take this first line, we'll cut it, and then come up into the row above. Insert a hard return there, so press enter or return, and then we will paste this first line of the syntax. We just have to make sure that there's a hard return before each line of syntax. So if we have a hard return here and a hard return here before the second line, then we can remove all of the additional space. So we can backspace there and there. And then we can come in and do the same thing for option 2. So we'll again select the text, show paragraph when variable name is option 2, and insert that condition. And then once again, we'll just come in, cut that first line, and paste it in the row above inside of the table. And then we can leave the second line as is. And once again, as long as there is that paragraph marker or a hard return before each line of the green highlighted syntax, we can remove the rest of the spacing. So we can remove that, and this space at the end. So then we can save this Word document, come back into our workflow, and attach it as an output document. And then when we run this workflow, we can see that if we select option 2, then in our output document, if we open it up, you can see that only the row that should be displayed if option 2 is selected is displayed, and all of the spacing is correct.